So hello guys, this is Anshuman Rao and welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be about trade breakdown, a trade breakdown that I have placed on, I guess, during pre-London session. Yeah, during pre-London session in GBPJPY. So as you can see here, this was the trade, and the trade was around 6 hour trade, which is a very good trade. And yeah, trust me, this was an amazing trade after so many days. And I think after 1.5 months I have captured something like this trade. And if I would have holded on to this trade, and I would have got 14 hour trade. It would have been a 14-hour trade, and we would have captured around 200 pips, but we only managed to capture around 85 pips, which is excellent. We don't usually get these moves, especially I trade only gold and GBPJPY, so you don't know, that you don't get this kind of moves. So these moves are very rare. And in this video I am going to explain you the reason behind this trade and the analysis behind this trade. And so basically it will be a journaling trade, where I will journal this trade for myself, and also I will document this trade for you as well, for you guys as well, so that you can get some learnings and you can copy some of my setups and strategies. So it will profit you in the long run. So without wasting any time, let's get into the main topic, our main agenda. But before that, you can see uh, this is the account in which I am trading. And yeah, I have got this account newly, and the initial balance was $50,000. As you can see here, the initial balance was $50,000. So on the first day I just took one trade, and this is the first day of trading this account. And only in the first day, as you can see, we had made about $928. So close to 2%, close to 2% in one single trade in one day. So it is beyond excellent. So now we have to just manage risk in the future trades, so that we don't lose this profits that we have made in a single day and on the first day itself. So as you can see here, the equity growth curve, the balance growth curve over here. So let me tell you guys, this is Alpha Capital Group of Alpha Capital Group prop firm. So this was the account which I have failed, and I have already made the video, and I will be posting the links in the description. You can watch that why I have failed this account and the reason behind failing this account. Basically it was revenge trading, but in the video I have explained it in a detailed way. So this is the account which is currently going on, and I will show you the, refresh it first. So I will if I will show you the insights, this is the trading history over here. And as you can see here, I entered with 3 lots in GBPJPY, and this is the in trade, entry trade, and this is the exit trades. So with 3 lots I have made my entry, and these are the partial bookings, these two are the partial bookings, and in the end we got our full quantity close. So in the first I closed about 1 lot, and in the second I closed about 0.55 lots, and on the last but not the least I have closed full quantity of 1.45 lots. So in total, which makes $928. So as you can see, let me tell you guys, this number is irrelevant, and this number skips this number. Actually, this shouldn't be your main focus. Your main focus should be how much amount you are risking to make how much amount. Like, in short, the risk is to reward ratio matters a lot. Like, if you are risking $5 to make $4, then you are stupid. But if you are risking $10, Like if you are risking the same $5 to make $10 or even $15 or even $20, which is amazing. And in this trade which I have took, as you can see here, it was a 6 hour trade. It was a 6 hour trade, as you can see here. It was a 6 hour trade. Risk is to reward ratio is 6. This means that if I would have risked $1, I would have made $6. Same goes to the 5 and 15 and 20 example. If I would have risked $5, then 5 6 are 30. If I would have risked $5, then I would have made $30. So can you imagine the ROI over here and the risk over here? The risk is pretty much low and the ROI, return on investment, is very much high. So risk is to reward ratio matters a lot, and second thing matters a lot is holding on to your profits, just like here that I did. Like my exit plan was clear, so that I exited around this zone over here, and also the market consolidated over here, and not I didn't consolidate for a much longer. It just broke out and gave a rally again. So close to 200 pips, if would have holded this trade, then we would have captured 200 pips. But our entry plan was fixed, our exit plan was fixed, and our SL was fixed. Everything went well, and yeah, this trade was full into feel like it was in our setup, and it was an amazing trade. So if we will go to account analysis, you can see here all the data over here. Equity account analysis, as you can see here. So this is all trade duration and stuff like that. Trading days analysis, positive days, average positive days. So maintaining data is very much important, and maintaining data, if you are even trading in your private funds, like using a broker and you are trading a private funds, I would highly suggest you to use something, platforms like Tradezilla and etc to maintain a journal, you know or it would be better you use a prop firm, because in prop firms, if you pass or fail the account, it doesn't matter, it stores in your history like this. It just stores in your history, so that in future times you can go to these accounts and basically you are maintaining a track record by journaling your trades like this. Like, not journaling your trade, you journal is automatically maintained within this, so you don't have to put an extra effort over here by journaling, just like pen and paper, stuff like that. So without wasting any time, let's break down this trade. So this trade, let's jump into the daily time frame. So we developed a confirmation bias in this daily time frame, and the price was around here, I guess, something around here, when I didn't take the trade, and when I was analyzing so my charts. So the price was around here something. So when the price was around here, so on this arrow, let me do something so that you can, the price was something around here in the daily time frame. Yeah, so the price was something around here, and as you can see here, in the daily time frame there is a complete bearish trend following. But as you can see here, in the daily time frame itself, you can see we have a major support over here, which this candle had already broken down. And as the price is around here, so what we conclude, that this candle had already broken down, but still it is something like a doji candle. You can consider this can be considered as a reversal candle. Okay, this candle was formed, but still then on 3rd of December this candle was formed, but still then we didn't have any confirmation bias, like the trend is going to be reversed from here. So this candle, but this candle, as you can see here, something a sort of a bullish engulfing candle, which covered this whole candle over here, and had a big body, which indicates a huge volume, uh, a huge buying power in the markets, of buyers, a huge buying power of the buyers. So this what indicates it. And the price, after breaking this and closing this candle over below this zone, the price didn't push lower, it just went back to the zone, which concludes that it's a fake out. It's just a fake out, and if it's a fake out, then trend is going to be reversed. There are high probabilities that trend is going to be reversed. So a very good confirmation bias was developed in this daily time frame. So as you can see here, on the 4th December candle, we just entered back into the zone, and on the 5th December, we just made another doji, which also had a probability that it's just a retracement of 2 days, and it will just continue pushing down. But we didn't. In fact, we just created a small bearish candle on 6th December, which created a resistance over here, as you can see. Let me mark it, which just created a resistance over here. And if it would have been breaking this, and it also broke and this candle also broke this and filled this wicks over here. And this major daily resistance also has already been broken down. So we had a very bullish move today in GBPJPY. So this zone is not much valid over here, but we will still keep it, because in the smaller time frames I'm going to analyze more and give you the details even more. So this was all about 1 day time frame, the daily time frame. Let's jump into the 4 hour time frame. So yeah, which I have marked the major daily resistance, and now you can see it already has broken down this zone over here. But when the price was around here, when I was analyzing the charts, the price was around here, and this zone was drawn in such a way that it respected this so beautifully. And we also have a clean range over here, which market has to cover up till here or something around here, if we consider the wicks also. So yeah, in 4 hour, not much. We just got a clearer market structure over here, and we just refined this overall zone over here. So yeah, that's it on the 4 hour time frame. If we jump into the 1 hour time frame, we have just got a more clear market structure over here. But in the 1 hour time frame, as you can see here, we got something else also, that we have a clean range over here, which is, but in 1 hour I cannot explain you. Let me jump into the 30 minutes so that we can get a clear market structure. Why I'm jumping into 30 minutes? Because as you can see, there are so many wicks over here and doji candles, so we will get a clear market structure in 30 minutes. So yeah, we just got a clear market structure, as you can see here. So this is what my main analysis was in the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame is a strong confirmation time frame, and I waited for the candle to close. As you can see here, above this blue line over here, I waited for the candle to close, and immediately after the candle has closed above this blue line over here, I just placed my order and I just held on to my winners. And yeah, I just got a 85 pip move, which is absolutely amazing. So the reason behind this was all because there was a common ejection point, as you can see here, and it and you can see this blue line over here. This is because this is a high over here. This wick, as you can see, this is a high over here. So if the candle would have closed above this zone, this white zone, so there are higher probabilities that the price would have filled this wick over here. Then again, it would have been reversed from this, you know, after filling this wick from this point over here, but it didn't. And my plan was not to take trades in this zone or in this zone, like even if the candle has closed above this zone and between this range over here, I wouldn't have, you know, executed the order, because we don't have a clean range over here, we have a wick over here which has to be filled. So in this candle, in this, you know, bullish candle, the wick was filled and we broke above this high, and we broke above this high, and we had a clean range on the left hand side, as you can see, which, you know, boosted up the confidence. And the range was around, you know, as we will consider the week, the range was around about 98 pips. We can round off and consider as 100 pip range, which is absolutely abnormal, absolutely excellent in the same time. So yeah, I developed a entry plan, I developed a exit plan on the spot. My stop loss goes to below this in the 15 minute. As you can see, the stop loss, I decided my stop loss based on the 15-minute candles. So the reason behind that, because the stop loss gets smaller and, you know, the you will lose less. So the stop loss gets smaller, so that definitely you will lose less. So let me just, yeah. So in the 15-minute time frame, I just decided my entries, and no, the entry was decided on the 30 minutes, and the TP and SL, the exit plan, basically the exit plan was decided in the 15-minute charts, especially the stop loss. So this was my entry, this was my entry, this was my SL, and this was my TP. So this was all for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and let me, you know, in last but not the least, but let me show you the account again, and the details, basically the data which I have recorded after the, like, which I have recorded today, especially today. So these are number of trades, as you can see here, it is showing 4, because one I have executed, which is the entry trade, and the rest 3, like rest 2 were the partials, and the last trade was the final entry with full quantity closing. So yeah, this was all for the video, and this is the trading history, account analysis, general statistics, is equity growth curve, balance growth curve, and win and loss. We have zero loss over here, we just have a win. And account analysis, as you can see here, long balance, result by days, long short comparison, trading in day analysis, results by trade duration on the 6 to 12, results by open hour, basically the trade duration. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you learned something, hope you have gained some, ideas about how I trade. And basically it was just a journal video for myself, but I like to make it public, because and post in YouTube, because it is easily accessible for me anytime, anywhere. And also it is public, so that people get benefit from it, and people get idea that simple price action can make big money in the markets. Also there are chances that you can make big money only using simple price action. You just need a bigger account, you just have to be disciplined enough, and you just have to be targeting those percentage gains, not to I will make a $200 or $1,000 today, or I will take a trade which will make me $5,000. Just don't target the amount. Just don't target the amount. Just chase capital, chase bigger capital, and you will get bigger capitals using prop firms easily. So just chase bigger capital, and like target for percentage gains. That's it. Like, as you can see today, I just made over close to 2% in a single day. So it is enough for me. Not because I just made $900 or 1,000, close to $1,000. It's irrelevant. The amount is irrelevant. Like, this number is attracted to some new beginner traders, but for me, what attracts me, what satisfies me the most is that I have made 2% in a $50,000 account in a single trade and in a single day, that too on the first day of trading this account. So this is what is real trading actually. Let's just not set goals, just not set impractical goals for the beginners. And I hope you have got some immense wisdom from this last part of this video. So this was it for the video, guys. Without wasting any time of yours, let's conclude this video. And yeah, thank you, bye bye, take care, peace out.